Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to WIJT video show on our YouTube channel. My name is Alona Taraka, and I have written a book. Actually, I have written several books that are available on Amazon. And from time to time, I am going to read a part of these books, so you can learn a little bit about them before you purchase. And this book I'm going to share a little bit about with you today is called The Roller Coaster Ride to Wealth. And it was written for young adults to learn some financial etiquette. And it's for my nieces and nephews. This section is called Your Sacred Number. Congratulations! You finally started your first job. But before you even started working, you needed something that would get you started into the world of work. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's your Social Security number. And I call this your sacred number. Well, it is sacred. We need to guard this number with our life because it is the one number that drives our decisions when it comes to working, going to school, and any other factor that involves a financial decision. So please watch out for people that ask for your Social Security number, whether it's on the phone, whether you receive a letter, whether you're talking to someone. Do not give this number out to anyone unless you really trust that organization, such as a bank, and also an insurance company. Those are safe companies that you may be working with after you've done some research on those businesses to find out if they are going to protect your sacred number, your Social Security number, with their policy. So that would be a very good idea if you do that research before you give it out to anyone. Now, your parents most likely applied for your Social Security number when you were born, and that's great. And now when you applied for your first job, you needed it to secure your employment. You are now a part of the monetary system because this number means a great deal as you started your life with it and you will end your life using it. The day I turned 16, my father pointed at me and said, "Time to get a job." So I did. I started working as a grill person at a fast food restaurant. But what didn't follow after I started working was my parents provided no instruction nor took an interest in creating a conversation that involved the money that I had earned. What was I supposed to do with this newfound money in my pocket? Not one word was mentioned to me that I remember. So what did I do with the money? Well, of course, I spent it and patiently waited until I got paid again to spend that money as well. And my parents didn't even notice that I was spending the money that I made. Not one word about savings. I guess because my parents didn't have a savings plan with their own marriage. It was a topic that was never taught at the daily evening dinner table. So I can't believe how society at the time my parents were growing up didn't have the mechanisms in place to teach them about good financial etiquette. Anyway, back to your sacred number. As you enter the working world, save all your pay stubs related to the job you are working in, because the information that you learn from your pay stubs will be beneficial when learning about the tax system. And yes, you have to pay taxes. Everybody does. It's the law of the land. Many people try to ignore paying taxes, but eventually the system catches up with you and trouble might be waiting. And you don't want to be one of these types of people. Paying taxes is a good thing, for when you get old and gray, the tax money that you pay now comes back to you in many forms. The year that you start working using your Social Security number will be the first year that you need to file tax returns. Your parents can help you with this and save your tax return for at least 10 years just in case you need to retrieve your tax return information for a major financial event. Keep your Social Security card in a safe place, but readily available when you need it. Treat it like you would a passport. And always remember, this is your sacred number. So, I hope you learned something new with this video today. And thank you very much for your time, and good luck on your job search and saving your money. All right, thank you.